Gary Parker flying Dick Heining's Fokker D7. Bruce Harlow down and dirty. Work on his Newport.
No, it's the summer.
Summer, okay. You got a Newport though, haven't you?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the summer, the one that John Radabaugh designed?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Here's the Newport of Bruce's. My BE2E, and I brought my Newport 28 and my Newport 11. And I've had about 2 flights on each one so far today. And it's okay, Gary's going to do a fly pass for us with the D7. Okay, the D7 is coming in. He's going to go around. You're watching part 2 of the 2003 Dawn Patrol at Molalla, Oregon. Part 1 was shown on Scale Aircraft Show, volume 165. He's down for a nice one. Woo-wee! All right. Well, it's Friday night, about 7 o'clock. Tomorrow morning is the first annual Dawn Patrol here in Molalla, Oregon. First one was in Wenatchee, Washington last year. That's the signal for Dawn Patrol.
2003 Dawn Patrol and Classic Air Race is underway.
There's old John. Dawn Patrol. There it comes. Okay, Bruce is coming home after the first Dawn Patrol. First man up. Very nice. De Havilland. The boys from Redmond are here.
Team Central Oregon. Good morning, Mr. Hansen.
Good morning, Paul Haynes and Steve Wilson, getting expert advice from Joe Topper.
And boy, do we appreciate it.
On their Newport 28, they're going to fly at Dayton. And we got a Sop with pup with us today. This is Jay Christie's Fokker D8. And what does it weigh?
He has trouble hearing.
How much does it weigh?
And Joe Topper brought his award-winning D7, built by Fokker Aircraft, and his Newport 28 with a shark's mouth on it. Scares the living heck out of us. So Bruce Edwards is here from Puyallup area. Bruce, how are you doing?
Very well.
You brought a scale model of a Antic. He's trying to convince me. Okay. Looks good, Bruce.
Yeah, you know the old thing about dazzling with brilliance if you can't battle.
Yeah, that's right. What engine you got in it?
That's a OS 160.
Oh, good choice. A Fokker DR1 here. Okay, Bruce Harlow's going to show us how his summer monoplane flies.
Just holler, Bruce. I can get it.
Wing walker, his own wing walker. This is a John Radabaugh design. Our illustrious leader this weekend. Very nice, Bruce. Who's flying that, Bruce? Who's in the cockpit there?
That's Roger Summer. Dupre.
Roger Summer.
Andre Dupre.
Dupre.
Dupre's sitting in.
Henri Dupre, huh?
Okay.
Bruce said he's had enough of this still air. He's coming in. Very nice. Okay, we got a patrol going out here.
John Desolé from Gresham.
Newport 17 and the de Havilland.
To get a reading on the
Gary
wind.
Parker's in the air.
Looks like we've got big new.
And Bruce Harlow is in the air with the de Havilland.
360. You follow me now.
John, you need some help out there?
Okay,
Wave
Tom?
if you need some help. So we can sit down, relax.
Okay, Gary's doing a descending 360 for us.
Ready for a hot dog. No enemy in sight.
Touch and go.
17 on an over.
Bruce Harlow is down.
Down. Show off one wheel landing. Big do part on the final. Down the center of the runway.
He's dead. Uh-oh.
Look at the man in the red suit go.
We're coming in for landing.
Don't use up too much of the runway there, Gene.
Gene's coming in. He's had enough of this calm air. This is Dick Glad's Fokker DR1. Is it a kit, Dick?
It's built off of Balsa USA plans.
Oh, yes. It's just got nice wide landing gear on it.
A little wider than they provided.
Yeah. For power, Dick.
It's a Sato 150.
Ooh, good choice. I got one of those 180s and they're great engines. What does it weigh?
Don't know, it's not finished yet.
Oh, I see. You're not going to fly it today?
No.
Oh, gosh. Well, it looks great.
Yeah, I'm short on some of the innards.
Thanks. And John Desolé brought his Fokker DR1. We've seen that fly before. Brought his unfinished Fokker D8. I guess they call it the Flying Razor, did they?
That's what they said.
It's not finished, so he's not going to fly today.
Yes, it is.
Oh, you're going to fly it today?
Well, I just don't have the trim in it.
Oh, I see.
It's on steroids. These gorgeous airplanes kitted and produced by Proctor. We are in Proctor country, of course. These airplanes rip. Just a lot of them.
Fighter brake to the right. Gary is coming in.
About 6, 7, or 8 years ago. Many, many flights on it. Won team scale and scale master competition. Won many awards. Great flying airplane. Great pilot.
Joe is down.
And that white Fokker that just landed scored. Good looking airplane there, Mr. Paul.
John Desolé is in the air.
Well, I kind of made a decision.
His Fokker DR1. Well, I guess that's not John Desolé. I thought it was. Walker, DR1. Nice touch and go.
Touch and go there by DR.
Paul Cameron is coming in. Look at this triple decker. Look at that. Look at that. Hard to do on a with a deal. Steve Wilson's going to start this Laser 200 in this Proctor Newport 28 and see how it goes. Bruce Edwards is bringing his Antic in. Antic mono, enlarged. I think. Little crosswind now. Runs.